Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Musio Augustine. If you are here for the first time, just remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember to leave your comment below. So now I'm just in a kind of a bushy area. You can see how the place looks like. It's kind of a bush area, and what I want to show you, I'm going to take you to kind of a waterfall. I'm going to a waterfall, and first, the first challenge I have is time. It's actually like around almost a few minutes to 6 p.m. And the place, since I went last year, it was very bushy. The place was very bushy. So I don't know if I'm going to accomplish the mission and show you the waterfall, or I'm going to abort the mission. But for now, why can't we see? Let's see what is going to happen in this small adventure. Let's move. So there happened to be a reason why I like this place. One, this place is actually far away from a lot of noise. That's the number one reason I love this place. Actually, you kind of experience, you are isolated from chaos which are happening in the surrounding environment. That's the main reason I love this place so much. But because of that isolation, it scares me sometimes to go alone into this place. It scares me a lot. You can see we have a lot of trees here. For instance, this is a blue gum. And blue gum, we happen to be planting these trees back at home so much because one of the reasons we plant them so much is they mature so fast. So kind of have economic benefits. And in those places which are kind of swampy, they tend to take a lot of water, hence leaving the place kind of cool, kind of dry. But now, here's the challenge. I have reached the place, and now one challenge I have is just going too deep into that waterfall which I told you. So this is where I'm heading now. This is the place where I'm heading. And you can see that's the raised part of the land. Now for me, my next step is just to go and show you the waterfall which I promised you. It's now inside of this place. I was somehow kind of lost. I didn't know which road I was, or which path I was supposed to follow. But I'm kind of now finding the path which I have to follow to the falls which I promised to show you. So I'm going to head into this deep place inside here. This is where I'm going. This place inside here. What would be your advice? Can I go into that place really? You know what? Just for heaven's sake, I'm not going to enter this place I alone. That's a reality. I'm not going to enter this place I as an individual. How? How can I go inside here I alone? Just see for yourselves. Could you advise me to go inside here I alone as an individual? I don't think so. I don't think so, because even the road which I used before, I can't remember. I've seen there's a part heading to that waterfall, but I'm not going. It's scary. I as an individual, I'm not going to this place. It's very scary. But you see what? I've kind of seen there are some individuals who are within this place. And because of that, I promised you that I would show you a waterfall. Then I'm ready to just go there and show you the place. But for me, it's scary, but I need to go. It's long since I came here I alone. Actually, not I alone. I remember we came as a team. So I can't even remember the roads or the paths which we used. But the path seems to be used now and again. So it's kind of scary, but we need to move. But can't imagine. See, what are you seeing? I can't imagine. Can't imagine I'm passing here alone. Scary. Scary. Then I was looking for an environment without a lot of noise. But this place, personally, I'm just scared. I can't imagine. Can't imagine. I saw I'm going nowhere, following no path. So I don't know even if I'm lost or I'm actually following the right path. I've kind of arrived that a more clear path, but I've come into contact with a road. So I'm going to show you kind of a waterfall. As I said, I'm not very sure of the path which I need to follow in order to actually show you this kind of waterfall. But I'm kind of going to follow the commonly used paths here, and then I will be happy to show you. But for now, I'm happy I've kind of met that river. So let's just move and see if I'm going to see that waterfall. But I've actually seen it from here. So I'm going to show you this part of the waterfall and just give me an insight. What have you thought of this place? Is it amazing? Is it fantastic? I can't wait you to see. It's one of the nicest places I've seen, and I just want to give you kind of what kind of you can't imagine to see the place. It's amazing. So I'm going to look for a path which I'm going to reach the direction of that waterfall. Wait to see. It is actually amazing at this place. You can't imagine how the environment looks like. The place is fantastic. You can see the waterfall which is behind me there. It's really a good place to be, to enjoy. That's why residents normally come here to enjoy at this environment. I've loved it. There is a lot of hot breeze which is experiencing now here. You can't imagine how I'm feeling kind of warm, and it's really fulfilling to be in such a place like this one. For those individuals, more especially residents of Moi University and the students of Moi University, the main campus, this is a nice experience, more especially this evening. You can't imagine, even the flowers are kind of breathing at now this moment. It's really amazing how this waterfall is kind of a fulfilling environment. So, as I promised you, I was to bring you here to waterfalls, and you have just seen the place. It's amazing to be here. I ask you to come and see for yourself. My name has been Mosioma Gatin. If you are here for the first time, just remember to subscribe, leave your comment, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to come here if you happen to be around Moi University. For now, peace. I thank you for trusting me to come at this place. It's fulfilling to be back here.